Hi guys, welcome back to Mega Mind Academy. We have a problem on the board. It's divide bracket 2 plus 2, then 2. Now, this kind of problem, how do you do it? This will give us what? 4 times 2, which is 8, divided by this 8, which is equals to 1. But this answer is not correct. According to order of operation, this B stands for bracket, multiplication, division, multiplication again, addition, and subtraction. So, and our rules is from left to right. So, we'll solve it from left to right. So, if we follow this order of operation, our answer is going to look like this. So, first of all, we drop the bracket. This will give us 4 times 2. Remember, there is an invisible multiplication here. Whenever a number is close to parentheses like this, it means multiply. So, we put our divide by 8 here. Now, remember that division comes before multiplication. So, we have to divide first before we multiply. So, we do this division first. 8 divided by 4 will give us 2 times this 2, which is equals to 4. And this is our final answer. Our final answer is 4. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, comment, share this video, like the video, press the notification button so that you can get new videos every day. Thank you so much.